My last live got interrupted because I had an important phone call to take. But this is indeed the live unboxing of my Scentsy kit. I am a Scentsy consultant, creating scents at .scentsy.us. All right, so let's get this big thing out the box. Okay. Yeah, I think I might need a, how about if I do, ouch. Do like this. This is very, very live.
Technical difficulties.
Ooh, it's a lot of good. Ooh, a lot of goodies. Okay, so the box was upside down. But nevertheless, okay, here we go. I'm going to open it this way so you can see all the treasures. Scentsy. So, we got my welcome to the Scentsy life. Nice. Oh, look at this. This is so great. My Scentsy consultant bag. Can you see it? It's a Scentsy independent consultant. Aww. I love it. I'm excited. All right. And here are my sample molds. That's cool. Oh my goodness. Lots of samples. Oh, body cream samples. I bet you didn't know Scentsy had body products. We do. Body cream samples. Hand cream, body cream. Very nice. Oh, this is the Luna scented car bar. Get rid of those little trees out of your cars and put a little Luna bar, a Scentsy bar. Aw, this body smells really good too. I think I'm gonna put, I don't know, I might put some in the car. Let's see. Oh my goodness, so many other things. Oh, I got Scentsy bars. These are the wax melts. Yeah, this is black raspberry vanilla. And I also got sea salt and avocado. Let me see what some of this smells like. Let's see. I wish this was smell-o-vision. Ah, it smells good. Yeah. And here's the other one. It smells very raspberry, fruity, sweet, dessert-like. This one smells very clean. Sea salt and avocado. I would have never thought of that. This one smells good too. Smell-o-vision. Smell that? Yeah, real clean. Just a, clean scent. Love it. Oh boy, there's still more goodies. Okay, so this is a buddy clip. I'll open that later. And, oh, more product. Washer whiffs. Now, if you go on my site, you'll be able to see all of this stuff and what it does. This, I did see a video, washer whiffs. You put this in your wash, and it causes it to smell very fragrant for an extended period of time. What's washer whiffs? And this is a 16-ounce container. Not going to do a show now because, the launch is Friday. This is just the box opening. Oh, I'll save that. That's the best for last. Okay, vanilla bean buttercream. This is a spray. My sister uses this spray, and I never knew it was Scentsy. My sister would have this spray in her powder room. Very small container, but it was very, very pungent. I don't even remember the scent that she used, but it was really, really good. And yes, Sylvia, I would use that spray when I went in your bathroom. Then, I bet you didn't know Scentsy had cleaning products. Well, we do. This is our bathroom cleaner. You can see it comes with its own spray nozzle. This is lemon verbena. And of course, I believe that clean smells like lemon. So in my kitchen, my cleaning products are always lemon scented. So, this is great. They must have known. Ha! They're so smart, those Scentsy girls and guys. And then there's a lot of other In terms of product, this is the last bit of product. This is, oh yes, oh, this is a warmer. So the little dish that goes on top. Use this with your bars and then make sure. Oh, look at that. You set it right up there with a light bulb. No candles, no wicks, no flames, no soot, no smoke. Just beautiful scent. And you can let it sit for as long as it sits. This is pretty. I like it. And yeah, the light bulb is right in here. So the warmer plugs into your wall, outlet, plugs into your wall, and you smell all of that divine smell. All right. So there's a lot of, business owner stuff. Thanks. You get a thanks already. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to the launch on Friday. It's going to be Friday, Facebook Live, Friday, May 17th at 8 to 8:30. Real quick, real short, real brief, but you're going to get a lot of good information and see a lot of nice smelling products. So thanks for being here. Then there's also, just some other business. Ooh, catalogs. Oh, something else. Some laundry liquid samples. Bet you didn't know Scentsy had laundry products. Now you do. You're welcome. You're welcome. A couple of different scents there. Catalogs. I know you want one. Catalogs. Then, again, some other just business stuff. Bags. Very nice. But this is the thing, the save for last. Save the best for last. Ta-da. These are my sample waxes. So you can say, oh, Karen, I saw your Facebook Live and I saw you had that sea salt avocado. I want to smell that. You said it smelled nice and clean and fresh. Well, of course. And I know it was a green one, so I would just find the green one that says, sea salt avocado. Of course, I'm picking up everything else, but you know what I mean, and you get it. Oh, this is the best part. Open it up and, oh, that smells good. That's called Love and Kiss. All right, Micah, come on. You don't know mine. All right, so I didn't get to finish, but my cameraman left because my phone rang. So that's it. I think it's not even doing it anymore.
It is. It's fine.
Oh, it is. It's live. Wow. Thank you, everybody, for coming on and watching. I'm really excited. So is she. We're really excited about my new Scentsy business. Remember, Karen Wilson, I'm your Scentsy consultant. That's creating scents, SCENTS, .Scentsy.us. Thanks for hanging out.